Hello everybody. Thanks for watching my videos and supporting me. We all want success in our life and we should introspect or do self analyze whether we are mature. Certain pillars are there which make us stable in our successful life. First one is mental maturity. The person who has overcome or win his mind can win the world. The person who doesn't have a control on his mind, he can't achieve anything in his life. N numbers of thought arises in our mind from morning to till we go for sleep. The thoughts which we passionately and consciously, environmentally, we mingle with that and with feel we involve and create manifest very soon. So we should not get influenced by others' thought. People are there, some people are there, they want to dump their ideas and thoughts on us. We should not become a basket of others, receiving the unwanted thoughts and then unwanted their instruction and putting into our mind. So we should achieve mental maturity. So for that we have to take effort from our side to become mental maturity. Other one is the physical maturity. For a physical maturity, we need health. So we need to strictly follow a diet, exercise, proper sleep. So we need to make effort to keep our body fit. We should maintain a routine so as to maintain good health. We should not violate the laws of nature. Violating the law of nature is making disharmony to the easiness, that is, dis-ease. The third one is the financial maturity. There is a proverb, we should cut the cloth according to our coat. So we should have a proper planning about our financial status or how we should spend our money, what should be the limitation, what has to be taken, given preference for spending the money. It's easy to spend the money, but it is not easy to accumulate or serve, to say, money. The law of attraction or the law of abundance is same for the universe has provided a unique law. But our attitude, if we feel greed, envy against the people who are financially sound, and that itself, if we feel guilty also, we are making blockages to the flow of money towards us. We have to realize that whatever we put into that thought, to say, if we vibrate or we criticize, that will come in multiple towards us. So, better to change our attitude and make financial maturity by changing our thoughts. We should have a proper planning regarding spending our money. Other one is the spiritual maturity. For spiritual maturity, we should do meditation, we should forgive others, and we should practice the gratitude also. One thing we have to realize that we cannot change a person. They all having a lot of habits which they have created, and if we try to change them, we will get depressed only. So accept the people and accept the things how they are makes us spiritually mature. The fourth one is the social maturity. We should analyze what can we do for the society. People go on complaining, the world is like this, we cannot change the world, and nowadays what is going on, and all talks we put on. But we should introspect what we are doing for the society from our side. At least if we pray for the welfare of others, that vibration itself can give a value. We can share a value from our side. Even it is a 1%, it's a big thing. So within the limitation, we can do helping others to overcome their problems, provided we should be healthy and we should be mentally stable and we should have the mental peace. For that, as earlier I have mentioned, we should do the meditation, forgiveness, and physical exercise to make our body and mind fit. So provide the service within the limit which you can do for the humanity or the society around us. Later, people can help others. They can spend their some time for their kids. They can help others who are struggling in finding solutions for their problems. Some we might be able to, the elderly people may be able to share their thoughts or their ideas which they have acquired from their life experience. So these are the few pillars for successful life. One thing is that we should be committed to ourselves and we should plan what we need. Again, I wish to say, as you vibrate, you assimilate, and we create our destiny. So, we should have a proper planning whether I need a peaceful life or not. If you want to achieve after 5 years something, you have to plan from today itself and you have to move accordingly that planning and analyze it and find out the ways and the views which we can achieve that goal. Practice makes man perfect, always I used to say. So these are the some of the views which we can adopt in our life and make our life successful. Thank you for watching this video. May the divine bless you all. Thank you.